Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Punishka Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about the different types of verbs. So let's begin. Verb is also known as action verb. Most of the time it tells us what action is being done by the subject in a sentence. It also tells us what the subject is, its state or its occurrence in the sentence. There are different types of verbs. Some verbs show action whereas some don't. So let us start with different types of verbs. There are three different types of verbs: action verbs, linking verbs and helping verbs. Let us see all of these different types of verbs one by one with the help of examples. Starting with action verbs. Action verbs shows action, okay? It tells us what action is done by the subject in the sentence. Example: give, eat, walk. All these are what? Actions which can be done by the subject. Action verbs tells what the subject of the sentence does. Action verbs also shows possession, okay? Example: have, own. Okay, all these words are action verbs which shows possession. Examples of action verbs are: the cat is drinking the milk. What is cat doing? The cat is drinking the milk. So drinking is an action verb. They bought a new house yesterday. What they did yesterday? They bought a new house. So bought will be the action verb. I will submit my project tomorrow. What will I do tomorrow? I will submit my project. Okay, so submit is an action verb. Ria has an appointment with the client at 2 p.m. Has, okay? It shows possession. Whose meeting is it? It's Ria's meeting, okay? She has an appointment. So has is an action verb. Action verbs can be transitive or intransitive. Transitive means there is an object which is receiving the action, and intransitive means there is no object which is receiving the action. For more details on transitive and intransitive verbs, there is a video uploaded on this channel. Next is linking verb. Linking verb links or connects the subject to the predicate. Okay, there is a subject and there is a predicate. A linking verb will connect the subject to the predicate. Linking verb do not describe any action, okay? It will not show any action done by the subject. It will simply connect the subject to the predicate. Now, common linking verbs are is, am, are, was, were, be, been, seems, feels, tastes. Okay, all these are common linking verbs. A linking verb connects the subject of the sentence to a noun or adjective that remains or describes the subject. This noun or adjective is called the subject complement. Okay, let's see examples. Manisha became a CEO. Here subject is Manisha and the verb is became. The verb became links the subject Manisha to its complement. Okay, its subject complement. It is adding more information about the subject, that is she became the CEO. Next example, Lisa is in love with her new pet cat. Here the subject is Lisa. Is linking the subject to its subject complement, okay? That is, it is describing Lisa. Some more examples of linking verbs are: Ria will be tall 5 years from now. Okay, it is connecting Ria. It is connecting a subject to its subject complement. This means that the linking verb will connect the subject to its subject complement, which describes more about the subject. Here the subject is Riya. She will be tall 5 years from now will be the subject complement. It is describing Riya, how Riya will be after 5 years. Similarly, the children are smart. How are the children? They are smart. Okay, telling something about the children. So, are is the linking verb. The dog became thin after his surgery. Okay, we are describing about the dog. The subject is dog. And what are we telling more about the dog? That the dog became very thin after his surgery. So, became is a linking verb. It is connecting subject to the predicate. Other verbs may be linking verbs in some cases and action verbs in the other. Okay, so it is not fixed that a particular verb is action verb or linking verb only. Some verbs act as action verbs in some sentence and as linking verbs in another sentence. For example, of these type of verbs which can act as action verb as well as the linking verb in the other sentence are to appear, to feel, to look, to remain, to stay, to taste, to continue, to grow, to prove, to sound, to smell, to turn. Let us see with the help of an example. Linking verb. Sanjay appeared happy. Okay, here the appeared is a verb. Okay, and it is connecting subject to the predicate. It is connecting subject to its subject complement. Okay, we are describing more about the subject. Here subject is Sanjay and we are telling something about Sanjay, that he looks very happy. He appears to be happy. So appeared here is a linking verb. John suddenly appeared. Okay, there was John was not there at present. From somewhere he suddenly appeared. He came. Okay, so in this sentence the verb appeared is an action verb. Next type of verb is helping verb. Helping verb comes before the main verb and that main verb might be action verb or the linking verb. Okay, the main verb which with its accompanying helping verb is called the verb phrase. When we read out the helping verb along with the main verb, it is together considered as a verb phrase. Now what do you mean by this? Let's see with the help of an example. Kinjal is going to Florida during pandemic. The trip might be dangerous. Here the verb, main verb in the first part of the sentence, first part is going. Okay, and with going we have used is the helping verb. Okay, the helping verb is placed before the main verb. In the second part, the trip might be dangerous. Okay, in the above part, going is an action verb and be is a linking verb. Here might is used before the main verb, so might is helping verb. So we have to remember that helping verb comes just before the main verb and this main verb can be action verb or the linking verb and it shows the possibility or the time. Okay, the following words called modals always function as helping verbs. Okay, there are some verbs which always act as an helping verbs. They are can, could, may, might, must, ought to, shall, should, will, would. Okay, all these are the helping verbs. These are often referred as modals. Examples of helping verb. Manisha could learn to fly helicopters. Okay, the main verb is learn and we have used a helping verb, a possibility. Okay, in form of possibility. So could is a helping verb. Next is James will drive to Mumbai tomorrow. Here the main verb is drive and will is the helping verb which is placed before the main verb. In addition to the following forms of verbs, to be, to do and to have sometimes serve as helping verbs. In other cases, they may serve as action or the linking verbs. Okay, there are verbs like to be, to do or to which acts as a helping verb in some of the sentence, whereas in the other sentence it serves as action verb or the linking verbs. Example: am, are, be, been, being, did, do, does, had, has, have, is, was, were. These are list of verbs which act as a helping verb. In some of the cases they might act as a main verb, as action verb or the linking verb. Let's see with the help of an example. Helping verb. Okay, Jana is moving to a new house. Here is the helping verb and the main verb is moving. Jana is ready to go. Okay, we are describing Jana. We are telling something about Jana, that she is ready to go. Okay, so here is a linking verb. The word is acting as a helping verb in the first sentence and is acting as a linking verb in the second sentence. Let's see one more example. Dustin did eat his vegetables. Okay, here did is the helping verb and eat is the main verb. Dustin did his homework last night. Here did is acting as an action verb. Okay, what he did yesterday, he completed his homework. He did his homework. Okay, so did in this case is acting as an action. So did acts as helping verb in the first sentence and in the second sentence did is acting as a action verb. So there are verbs which can act as a helping verb in some sentence, but it can also act as an action verb or a linking verb in the other sentences. So we have studied about the three different types of verbs, that is the action verb, linking verb and the helping verb. Okay, action verb will show the what action is done by the subject in the sentence. Okay, linking verb will describe the subject. Okay, it will connect the subject to its subject complement. And helping verb, a simplest trick to remember how to identify helping verb is helping verb will always come before the main verb, and this main verb can be action verb or the linking verb. So let us practice few examples. Okay, here we have to identify the verb in the sentence and we have to mention which type of verb it is. Okay, so let us begin. The first one is they are watching television. Okay, are watching is the verb over here. Oh, alright, and are is the helping verb and watching is the main verb. Okay, we will write MV for the main verb, HV for helping verb, LV for linking verb and AV for the action verb. So in the first sentence, are is the helping verb and watching is the main verb. Second sentence, he was tired after work. What is the verb over here? In the sentence, verb is was tired. Was is the helping verb again. And tired is the main verb. Here the main verb is an action verb. Okay, tired. Next sentence. My dad drove his car to the supermarket. What action is being done in the sentence? Driving a car. Okay, drove. So drove is the verb and drove is showing an action, so it is an action verb. Mango is her favorite fruit. Okay, here verb is. It is adding subject to its subject complement. It is describing about the subject. So here verb is linking verb. I did my homework right after school. Did, showing an action. So did is an action verb. She was cooking dinner in the kitchen. Okay, we have verb was cooking in the sentence. Cooking is an action verb. Okay, here the main verb is cooking. Main verb here is action verb and was is the helping verb. As we all know that the helping verb is always placed before the main verb, and this main verb can be either action verb or the linking verb. Next sentence. The boys were playing in the park. Verb playing is the verb playing is verb in the sentence. Were is a helping verb and playing is the main verb. The ocean water tastes salty. Okay, here the verb is taste. It is telling something about the subject. Okay, describing the subject. Subject is connected to its subject complement. So tastes will be the linking verb. They will be late to the party. Will be the verb. Okay, and it will be the linking verb. Be is linking verb and will be the helping verb. We have learned a lot about verbs. Have learned is the verb in the sentence. Have is helping verb, whereas learned is the main verb. So these were the different types of verbs: action verb, linking verb and the helping verb. If you have any doubt in any of the examples or any of the concept of the different types of verbs, please comment it in the comment section. Also, if you like our video, please like it, share it and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.